Interior here of the 1998 130 300 TDI. New seats, had those reupholstered, new carpet as well through the vehicle. With this vehicle, as is with all of the vehicles, it's been resprayed, so good paint work on it all the way around. 342,000 kilometers. We did rebuild everything on this vehicle, as is the case, of course. The miles per overlay on all of them. It's got the little black box. I really like those, the early warning systems, just to tell you what's happening with the vehicle, overheating, low battery, low water, all of that kind of good stuff. So I personally like those. New center cubby box as well. Take you around to the other side so that you can see what it looks like on the passenger side. Again, really good job. Analog clock there, Bluetooth radio, which is pretty cool. I do like this, I forgot to mention it, locking rear differential on the vehicle, so that's pretty good, certainly for off-roading, in addition to the center diff lock. So that's, if you want to do some hardcore off-roading, it certainly can do that. Some more videos here of the back, and I will do a driving video, cold start, and I'll show you under the hood in a second.